2 decades, ASIMCO has manufactured brake accessories, but we would not be able to do it without the help of the millions of hard-working auto part dealers who recommend our products to customers daily. We appreciate the invaluable service they provide to us. As a way of showing our appreciation, we've created the ASIMCO Cares Health Outreach that will provide free eye, ear, blood pressure, and blood sugar tests to auto traders across Africa. Our first port of call was the ASPAMDA Auto market in Lagos, Nigeria. The cost of these tests can be a discouraging factor, which is why it was important for us to be absolutely free and accessible to anyone who wants them. Participants at our ASPAMDA Health Drive got to know their health status and also got free prescription glasses when necessary.
We appreciate ASIMCO products for bringing you people here. Most of us are sick here, but we don't know. So we appreciate you.
For a company like this, ASIMCO, which I know for their quality brake pad, for them to come here today to touch lives in the areas of our sight, our ear, our blood sugar, and the BP, and even giving free glasses, reading glasses to people, it is a thing of joy.
You see a lot of people are still coming out for the exercise. It's a very recommendable, and we really appreciate what we did. We thank them. We saw their product, and we are today we are going to be patronizing their product, because as we see what they did now, we already know that their product will be equally good.
Well, ASIMCO is a good brand in the market. I want to use this opportunity to thank ASIMCO products for this great opportunity they're giving to me. At least today I got free eyeglass from this your health initiative. It's a very, very good initiative. I'm very happy for it. And I'm thanking you for bringing this opportunity to our doorstep, because a lot of people are having this health issue, but they cannot be able to afford to treat it. But since people brought it to our doorstep, so it's a very great and good opportunity for us. And we are thanking you people for this opportunity. So thank you, and God bless you.
What I've heard about ASIMCO products is one of the best. I guarantee anyone that wants to use it that is one of the best.
So ASIMCO, we all auto parts people, I say thank you people, and continue, and God will bless you.
Ẹ ṣé àdúpẹ́ o, ilé iṣẹ́ yín ò ní jóná o. Ẹ mọ̀ ròkè ni o. Ẹ ṣé àdúpẹ́ o, God bless.
The pleasure is ours. To learn more about ASIMCO products, visit our website at www.asimcoglobal.com or contact us at info@asimcoglobal.com.